What is up, you guys? Good morning. It is a beautiful, well, I wouldn't say beautiful, but kind of crappy Thursday. It is raining all day today. The weather sucks. Alright, so I got some good news, I guess you can call it. So this is the list of actual repairs needed for my car to actually pass the inspection, SAQ. So, it's going to cost me around $200 and about $60 just to do both front tie rods. Not bad. The brakes are going to cost me the most. So for the brakes itself, they're going to cost me around $300. So this is what my garage quoted me. So you guys can easily let me know if this is a ripoff, which obviously most of you will think so. Cost me $20 to look at the car. Not bad. So gotta get this list done and hopefully then pass the inspection. So I've been searching around for some exhausts for my car, and I know one thing: I'm not gonna focus on any exhaust or any modifications or any changes right now. My main focus is doing my repair and passing the inspection. The back light for the license plate for the dark, both lights are good. I'm gonna be ordering eventually a Cobb Tuning 3-inch catback exhaust. I know that they say it's not compatible with my car, but I'm at this place where they would literally cut some piping, weld some pipes, and make it fit. When I get home, I definitely want to actually put on the toe strap. This is pretty. You could put it front or back, but I'm gonna put this one in the front. I checked it up online. It actually is very simple to install. I'm gonna just hook it up to my front bumper, but like something in a way where it looks good, I guess you guys can say. I got plenty of zip ties, so if you guys say that, oh, it's not on properly, it looks like crap, this and that, put it in more, put it in a different position, I'm all ears. But huge thanks to Wayne for giving me this. Alright, so I got some, I guess you can call it some fun news. Starting, I think it's October 17. Organization So Clean's having another event at Autodrome. I'm gonna be going. Burnout contest and drag and stuff like that. Am I gonna race my Impreza? Hell no. Not on my daily driver, no way. But at least I'll have some content for you. I think these 3 days that I have off every week, actually I could maybe find something to do to give you guys some content, even if it's not car related or something fixing or whatever. Alright, I just got home, went to Auto Authentics, had to pay them the extra money that I owed them, which was like a couple of dollars, no big deal. I'm gonna install the tow hook, the tow strap now for sure, in the front. Yeah. This would have been a lot easier if I had. Alright, so this is how I put it on for now, to give you guys some kind of idea. Obviously, this is not the way you do it. I pretty much zip tied it to this little stick right over here around the bumper. I know you're supposed to clip it into something inside there, but I really can't find anything to clip it on. Really can't find anything to clip it on. So it's okay for now, I guess. I mean, checking underneath the car, yeah, it's all covered by plastic and stuff. That's not gonna work. But 2008 Imprezas are kind of different, you know, a little harder to work on. So I guess this is one of the options. Obviously, it doesn't look 100%, but once the car dries off and everything in an hour or two, I'll come back and I'll fix it for sure. But it looks okay for now. Honestly, I'm gonna definitely keep the car. I was gonna sell it, but I'm like, you know what? Nah, I want to make this into a rally car. So a lot of work is gonna be going into this car. A lot of work. Okay, so I did talk to them about a few things. First things first, the Cobb Tuning. It will fit my car, even though it says it on the website that it's not compatible with this car. They could make it fit. They'll just have to trim a little bit of the pipe, do some welding and that. But he guaranteed me it's gonna fit. So, and the Cobb Tuning 3-inch catback exhaust is going to be completely 100% legal. Completely legal. So that's going to be better. It'll be stainless steel. It'll be brand new piping underneath. And that's exactly what I want. Also, stiffer suspension for sure. Obviously not this winter, probably next summer or whenever I have money. I want to get stiffer suspension so I can get the corners good. Definitely. I know some people actually some garages recommend Brembo brakes, but I don't see Brembo brakes on this car. I don't picture it on this car. But yeah, garage. I went to the garage this morning, and all the repairs for this car, it's be around $500-600 in total. So it's not that bad. Actually, I thought it was gonna be 1,000 or more, but I was completely wrong. So that's what I'm gonna do for this winter. This winter, I think I'm gonna just focus on doing some work to this car. Some of the things I can do by myself. Some of it, I'll have to Google it, YouTube it, or some of them I'll just have it done by professionals. Give an example, the WRX wing for hatchbacks. I'm gonna have that installed by a professional because you gotta deal with wiring. So I'll let them do that. But I'm definitely missing a couple things actually. Impact gun, jack stand and jack. Definitely. Even though my car already has one, I prefer having the good ones, you know? So if I want to modify anything underneath the car, I just go into the car and do it myself. So yeah. Didn't want to make too much of a crazy vlog for you guys because too much talking. So I'll see you guys very soon. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave any comments if you guys have any suggestions, tips, or any ideas. Literally, I'm all ears. And that's pretty much about it. So I think next week's gonna be the last event at Autodrome for the winter coming up, and it's a Halloween bash, they say. So we're gonna have some fun. And coming this winter is gonna be a lot of vlogs. 2-3 vlogs a week because winter storms, oh, I'm ready for you. So I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.